Hello dear friends, my name is Vasily, RN6LHF from Taganrog. Today I will tell you about how to connect SunSDR2 software to LogHX and to JTDX software for working in the FT8 mode. And we will see how to create virtual COM parts, how to create virtual audio cables, and so on. If you see this video, please send a chat text to me, and okay, I cannot see my video, but dear friends, please send text in the chat if you see the picture, and I'll move next and will describe you how it works, what to do, what you should do for good settings and for good working in the FT8 mode. It's interesting mode and which provide you possibility to one second. Отлично. Okay, let's go, my friends. We have a system which includes SunSDR2, Logger and JTDX software. Now, today we will see how works JTDX. I like it because it's good software which have good support, and most of all many people use it, and we will see how you can connect it. Firstly, we can switch off all radio software, you should switch off loggers and so on, and open COM0COM software. You should install on your PC COM0COM software because it's provide you possibility to connect it and to connect radio softwares, SunSDR2, and other software like Logger or JTDX and other. Now you can see that one second. Now you can see that we have COM0COM, and we need to install a virtual audio cables like this. We have two virtual audio cables, first for receiving mode and second for transmitting mode. Also, we should install two virtual COM ports pairs, COM3, COM4 for CAT control, and COM5, COM6 for PTT control. COM7, COM8, it's additional COM port pair which not used now, and it's enough for control, for connection, our SunSDR2 software, loggers, and JTDX. Hello dear friends who just connected to my YouTube stream, and we will speak about connection SunSDR2 and use it in FT8 software to JTDX software in the FT8 mode. Firstly, just start SunSDR2 software. We already have COM ports, virtual COM ports pairs, and virtual audio cables. Okay, just start SunSDR2DX radio and the SunSDR software. Next, we should start LogHX software. LogHX software. Why LogHX? LogHX software used TCI connection between SunSDR, between SunSDR2 software and Logger. It's a fast connection which used a virtual network like a local host connection, and I'll show you how it connected. Just open options, TCI menu, and just set enable checkbox. The port number 40001, it's standard default value. Just set enable checkbox. Okay. Just open file, setup, radio 1, and use TCI. If you press setup button, you can see that address, it's local host, and port number the same port number, and it works automatically. Just set TCI and it works. You can see I just sent frequency, and when I set frequency 14.074, Logger automatically set USB digital mode and the up sideband. Okay, then we should start okay, setup JTDX software. You can start JTDX from Logger, and you can start JTDX from your desktop. It's easy, and it's useful if you use setup for external. If you open programs menu in the LogHX and choose setup for external programs window, and then you should open JTDX tab, and choose JTDX location. It will be disk C and JTDX 84. It's the latest version, 149 version. Folder 149 bin JTDX, and just set open. Okay, and you can start JTDX from logger. Okay, we just started it, and we have JTDX software, and we should set some features like a radio. We have an interesting way to connect cat control between logger and JTDX software. Logger can get information about frequency, mode, and can set frequency and mode, and can share this information with additional software like JTDX. You can open General Setup, Log Cat, and you can use Log Cat. Just set port number COM3 and just set baud rate 57600, and in the JTDX software radio just use Kenwood TS870S model and use COM4 port number and the same baud rate 57600, and just set checkbox. Also for PTT you can use the same port and use CAT, or you can use RTS and the other COM port pair. I'm use COM6 and COM5 in the logger. In the logger just set checkbox use log PTT port 5 and the other port 6 from the pair, virtual pair COM5 COM6. Use for PTT control RTS, operate active radio, and OK. Also here in the JTDX software use COM6 RTS and OK. You can you can press button test cat. Green button inform you about all is OK. Test PTT, radio goes to TX, release it. OK, we just set cat control frequency, PTT control between radio and JTDX software via logger. Also audio connections. We should use two pairs in the audio tab. Input we can use line 1, output line 2. Input used in receiving mode, line 2 can be used in the transmitting mode. In the SunSDR2 options you should use VAC menu and use for RX mode cable 1 and for TX mode cable 2, line 2. You should use you can use WDM-KS driver. This driver works faster with minimum delay, and it gives you minimum delay and it works properly. OK, just apply OK, and here is also OK. Now you can see on the waterfall, 1 second. you can see that waterfall shows you signals and spectrum from radio pan adapter. You can see I can zoom in. This is FT8 sector from 14.0774 megahertz, and you can see that JTDX window has many signals which calling in CQ, and we can working in the air. The main things that we should use two connections. This is audio connections between radio software and JTDX software for sending audio from radio and from JTDX to radio in transmitting mode, and CAT control from logger and JTDX software. Logger in this case used as radio server which sends to JTDX software information about frequency and mode. This is all what I say today. If you have some questions, ask me in the chat and I will answer you. Okay, thank you very much for this viewing, for watching this, for watching my channel. Next video will be about how to adjust processing menu for transmitting signal in voice modes, in SSB mode. I will show you how to adjust it step by step and to get very good signal, pretty good signal, and we'll see. We'll watching it next time. Thank you very much. Bye bye.